Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are updating on, yes, the star ceiling. Stay tuned. So it's been almost 7 months since we did the install, and I figured, hey, it's a good time to give you guys an update, show you how it's been doing. For those of you who haven't seen the full build video that I did on this, I'll try to do it briefly on here, but if you want to see the whole video, it'll be down in the description. You can check it out. Actually, I will even put it up on the screen right here. So here we started with the actual 1-inch foam board panel. You get at Home Depot or Lowe's. We wrapped it with some metal trim to be able to stick it to the roof. And here we are putting the street suede material that we are putting on the panels. Here you see we use some 1x2 and some 1x4 to trim out the outer perimeter in the middle of the panels. That way we have something to put the magnets to. And it was taking a lot of magnets to put up on there. But here you see the actual framework behind it. We have the Govee lights that wrap around it. Now here you see the opening that we have the light boxes mounted into. And well, here we go. We start the long, tedious process of drilling 1,550 holes into 4 panels. And boy, when I say this was time consuming, it was time consuming and honestly killed your back from being bent over. That's why you see me on a chair, because that is the only way to do it. And here we are actually putting glue and tape on the backside to make sure that when we put these panels up on the ceiling, we didn't have any issues of basically the pieces pulling out. And there we are getting the first set of 2 panels put up. And I'm also adding some pieces of the suede behind on the joints there. And here we go with the last 2 sets of panels that we got to put up. And you can see I am cheating by using the lift, but when you got it, you might as well use it. And here it's just hooking the light box up. This is a 2-bundle setup that we have here. And then the wonderful joy of your last part of your install is clipping all the pieces off down to about 1/8 of an inch. Well, fast forward 7 months, and well, this thing has been perfect. We've not had any issues. The magnets have held very well, even through the construction process, which we are down now to the last little bit of this barndominium to get moved in. But this thing has done very well. None of the magnets have failed. None of the corners have pulled down. And well, the light box is still producing great light. This light box did come with this remote, which you have all sorts of different colors to choose from, jump patterns, things of that nature. You can dance to music. You know, I'm personally like the single color twinkle, which the twinkle can be turned on and off, but everything is still working like the day we installed it and super happy with it. So I will put a link in the description to the actual light box we used and the kit we used, along with the outer lighting that we use from Govee, which has been very well. Now, I also had some questions about, well, how does it look with the lights off, but the main lights on? And well, this is what you get. And yes, you can see the seam very lightly. So it's actually more noticeable on the camera than it is in person, but hides very well. Super easy to get these panels down if need be. And well, with the flip of a button, you've got your lights back on. But to truly get a grasp of how well these lights do, you really need to have the lights off because, man, it just looks fantastic. I mean, absolutely stunning. The twinkle effect, gorgeous. The 3 different light sizes that we have with the fiber optics really give you a depth of different size stars. Man, super happy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. I'll try to answer them the best I can. And well, who knows? I have an idea coming up very soon of doing another one of these in a different place. But that's it, folks. We'll catch you next time.